Ekero bono chiskuru cheigorwa rituko ria rero niga borokigwa be chiskuru chisekendari barorekana goikerana ase chiskuru ao ime county ya Kisii. Niga balimu amona borokigwa baikirana ime ye chiskuru ao abwase barorekana gutwara ogosemeria buna nigo mwaka oyo baragenderera gokinia ebirengo bye chisemi ime ye chiskuru chiabo. Ime ye skuru enene yabamura ya Kisii nigo boigo ababorokigwa baikirana abwase umwalimu omonene omokonyi Hesbon Chwea ateba buna nigo barachie gochaka gosomia ababorokigwa abo gochakera rituko liankyo.
Kisii School. Kwa majina ni Hesbon Chwea, naibu mwalimu kwa Kisii School. Leo tumekuwa tukiwapokea wanafunzi wa kidato cha pili, cha tatu na cha nne. Na nina furaha kusema kwamba tumepokea zaidi ya robo tatu ya wanafunzi wetu. Majority of our students have come back. I think they are eager to learn, and we are so happy to have received them, so that tomorrow from 7:40 we shall engage themselves in learning. Welcome Getembe TV to Kisii School. You are most welcome.
Ginko ripoteri igataseni gia Getembe kurwa se county ya Kisii. Eliatariane Brian Nyakundi.